Do you want me to turn off the music?
No, don't worry, the film's silent so anyways. Now remember we practiced it like lots of times and we only have one shot. Okay, no, the camera's ready. Lights ready. Are you ready?
I'm ready.
Okay, and action. Now give me the butter.
Here you go. I don't use butter when I fry an egg. Why would you use butter?
I always use butter when I fry eggs. Besides, frying an egg for 1 minute would burn it, so... Okay, now, give me the eggs. Jesus fucking Christ, I broke it! Oh my god, I'm gonna try to break the other one too, so they're even. Of course not. Got to be perfect. Of course, I've practiced like 30 times and now it has to break. Stove's off.
Okay, I'm taking the pan out. So, what now?
And now we wait until the film's over, which has to happen now.
Do you know what you're doing with that?
No, I have no idea yet. Let's have breakfast.